Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I hope I'm audible. Firstly, I would like to congratulate my dear friends here who have secured various ranks in JEE and look forward to a happy life at IIT Delhi or other IITs, of course. You know, IIT for me means like IIT Delhi because being an alumnus from there. So, a lot of us have spoken about कि प्रिपेयर कैसे करना है, पढ़ना कैसे है, रात को पढ़ना है, दिन में पढ़ना है एंड ये सब चीज़ें. तो आई थिंक अब साल काफ़ी हो गए हैं, तो अब मैं बात करना चाहूँगी कि आईआईटी में लाइफ कैसी होती है. प्रॉबेबली यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स बैठे होंगे हमारे साथ जो कि मोटिवेट होना चाहेंगे कि अगले साल वो शायद क्लियर कर पाएँ. तो मैं शायद ये बताना चाहूँगी कि आईआईटी में लाइफ कैसी होती है, क्या क्या आपको अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ मिलती हैं और यू नो सम गोल्डन फ्यूचर टू लुक अप टू. So, and dear friends, I will be addressing you as well because you would be enjoying your life in the 4 or 5 years to come by. So, I would start. Life at IIT would be not just about studies. It will be a lot of fun. Maybe like a regular college, it will be from 8 to 5 or 9 to 6 of classes. पढ़ाई तो करनी पड़ेगी, ठीक है. But your evenings and your nights will be free to explore and discover yourself. You will get the opportunity to engage in activities relating from sports to cultural activities, dance, drama, music, debating, quizzing, etc. You can even explore the arena of student politics, which is clean, by the way, in the IIT institutes. I think, past few years, you would have engaged in only one activity, studies, right? WhatsApp, Facebook, वो सब तो बंद करने को बोला गया है अभी अभी. But जैसे हमने अभी थोड़े टाइम पहले सुना था, 3 Idiots में गाना सुना था, सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो हमें जीने दो. So that will be your time to live. That will be your time to enjoy. Finally, I think I would like to quote a speech by Raghuram Rajan sir. He is an alumnus of IIT Delhi and the current incumbent governor of RBI. So he gave this speech in his convocation. In the convocation at IIT Delhi, he just came over and he spoke to us. And I think he has used beautiful words in describing his life back at the IIT institutes. So he says, when I graduated, I was overly anxious about the future, what held for me, because I did not realize that the institute had prepared me so well for what lay ahead. Our professors were dedicated professionals. They asked a lot of us, knowing that in challenging us, they allowed us to learn what we were capable of. Equally important, our class at that time had some of the most brilliant people present. After working with them as colleagues, competing with them for grades, I learned that to succeed in the fiercest environments, those lessons have stayed with me. IIT Delhi then, I am sure, is and was not only about studies. It was about growing up. We were the proverbial school nerds who had never played anything in school, who were excluded from all activities. He means to say कि यहाँ पे जो बच्चे हैं पूरे टाइम पढ़ते रहते हैं, कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है कि स्पोर्ट्स स्टार है जो सचिन तेंदुलकर समान निकल जाए. हम सभी ऐसे थे. तो हमें वहाँ जाकर एक मौका मिला. For the first time in our lives, we got a chance to bat and bowl in the nets. Instead of being posted at deep long on, where वहाँ पे फील्डिंग पे नहीं लगा देते थे, हमें बॉलिंग और बैटिंग करने का मौका मिलता था खुद. Of course, we all aspire to join dramatics, where you would get to spend long hours with members of the opposite sex. This is for the guys who want to spend their time with the girls in the dramatics activities. Unfortunately, I was no good at acting, so I took a look for self-actualization elsewhere. There were enough places to student politics with plenty of scheming, strategizing, backstabbing. It was an intellectual pastime. You had to convince the small, intelligent electorate to vote for you in figuring out how to get them to vote for you. Student politics at IIT Delhi is not as you see in JNU and everywhere else. It's a lot more fun. बहुत सारे इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे होते हैं, उन्हें समझाना पड़ता है कि हमारे लिए क्यों वोट करोगे, right? So I think he says we came there as smart boys and girls and left as wiser young men and women. I'm confident that the institute will do to you as what it did to me. You will thank it in the years to come after that. So I think this puts it in a very beautiful way that the life at IIT Delhi or any other IIT has in store for you. Besides BITS is also a very good institute to go to. Further, let's talk about something about life. Life in IIT would have a lot of freedom for you. जो सिस्टम होता है आईआईटी में, इट हैज़ अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रीडम. तुम अपने सब्जेक्ट्स खुद सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो, खुद एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हो, क्या पढ़ना है, क्या करना है, अपना टाइम कैसे यूज़ करना है, हर चीज़ की फ्रीडम होती है. लाइफ विल बी अबाउट बिल्डिंग अ पर्सनैलिटी. इट विल बी अबाउट ग्रोइंग अप इनटू यंग मेन एंड वुमेन. आप लोगों को पेरेंट्स और टीचर्स ने बहुत बार बोला होगा, एक बार आईआईटी निकाल लो, लाइफ चिल हो जाएगी, लाइफ हैप्पी हो जाएगी, है ना? ओ, हियर कम्स द सरप्राइज. लाइफ डजंट गेट हैप्पी और एनीथिंग. इट जस्ट गेट्स टफर. इट गेट्स more hectic day by day. It will not be very pleasing. It will not be very chill or happy or anything. It will be challenging, and you will love the challenges. You will love the challenges. You will be busy, and you will like to be busy. Life will be hard, and you will be as hard as diamonds and shine like them. Finally, I have something to say for the girls out here. Parents usually do not motivate girls to study in India. Well, I have my parents as my example. They have supported me over the years, and I would like all the parents here to motivate their little girls to study. It will help them build a future, and the women that they turn into, you will be proud of them. Then, some advice to the students who will be joining IITs in the time to come. As I said, you will have a lot of freedom. With this freedom comes a lot of responsibility. You will have to choose when to sleep, when to wake up, when to attend classes or not, what you have to do with your free time. And believe me, nobody studies everybody studies before the exam, so don't worry about that. So, the freedom comes with a responsibility. Whatever you do, however you use your time, make sure you have an eye at the future. जो भी काम करो, जिस तरह से अपना time use करो, सोचो कि future में क्या होगा. For sure. But हाँ, do have a lot of fun. Besides, something for the parents here, there are a lot of expectations from the children who go up to IITs and graduate out of them. आप लोग सोचेंगे बच्चा निकल जाएगा IIT से, खूब पैसा कमाएगा. Is that true? खूब पैसा कमाएगा, है ना? I would like to say कि बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों को प्रेशराइज करते हैं कि बेटा जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा पैसा मिले उस जगह जाना या वो चीज़ करना. इस बारे में आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू अबाउट एक इंसिडेंट. मेरी फ्रेंड थी, उससे मैं बात कर रही थी. शी हैड अ वेरी गुड एकेडमिक करियर, शी हैड वेरी गुड एक्कोलेड्स, वेरी गुड ग्रेड्स, एवरीथिंग. बट वो काफ़ी एक मॉडेस्ट से पाथवे पे जा रही थी. अपने टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड में सिविल इंजीनियर थी वो, तो अपने टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड में जा रही थी. ज़्यादा पैसा नहीं मिलता उसे. तो मैंने उससे पूछा कि ये ऐसा क्यों कर रही है. यू कैन अर्न अ लॉट ऑफ मनी एल्सवेयर, बहुत पैसा कमा सकते हो और ऐसा वैसा. तो शी टोल्ड मी कि एक बार वो अपने पापा से बात कर रही थी. जब अपने पापा से बात कर रही थी, डिस्कस कर रही थी कि पापा मैं ये कर लूँगी, तो चल जाएगा क्या, मतलब ठीक हो जाएगा, पैसे तो कम मिलेंगे, क्या करें? सो उसके डैड ने उसे रिप्लाई किया, बेटा पैसा तो कितना भी कमा लो तुम, रात को रोटी तो 2 ही खाओगी ना, रोटियां तो नहीं बढ़ जाएंगी ना तुम्हारी, राइट? तो make sure whatever you do in life is the thing that you want to do, that you actually want to do. There are a lot of my batchmates who have returned back from their luxurious jobs और बहुत पैसा कमा रहे थे वो, but वो वापस आ गए सब कुछ छोड़ के. Make sure when you have your 4 years at IIT, discover yourself, जो आप करना चाहते हो actually life में. And finally, you have a good pedestal. Wherever you go, make sure you are humble about your victory. It's very important कि आप simple रहें, humble रहें और खुश रहें, ठीक है? Fine. So, live your life at college. Don't be too much stressed about studies. Enjoy yourself. It is your time to interact, enjoy, and live the life you always wanted to. I hope to see you all grow up into strong, independent individuals who will serve their nation well. Thank you so much.